Want to know how to get or buy skins in Mobile Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, what you need to do is simply open up your Mobile Legends application. And once you're under Mobile Legends, on the left side here, you can see various interfaces. So right here, right under this Naruto character right here, you can see this shop. So simply select shop. Now, once you're there here, just simply head towards skins on the left side. So there will be various skins that will be provided, from painted skins, sacred statues to just default skins. So you can just simply select any one of them, and right here you can see this purchase icon with the remaining or the required diamonds. So this Korean skin requires 188 diamonds, so you can just simply select purchase right here. And now you can just either go to use battle pass points or use diamonds right here. So if you don't have enough diamonds, you need to simply select OK, and you will be selected and diverted towards the diamonds interface right here. So you can just simply select any one of these with the price tag, and you can simply buy it through legal procedures like adding credit cards, PayPals, and so on. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.